Hello, guys. This is Haitian Wifey. So, with the holidays coming up, like Thanksgiving, Christmas, so I have this nice recipe for you guys. It's like the Haitian sweet potato pie. I know you already have like a lot of pie, like pumpkin pie. I think you have your own sweet potato pie, but this one it's like like the Haitian style sweet potato pie. It's a must. Okay, you need to try it. So bring something new to the family meeting or family holidays, family vacation, or just as a simple dessert that you can have at home. So okay, basically we use sweet potatoes, but usually we use the white sweet potatoes. So I didn't have the white one, so I use the orange one. And also, it's like my first time making this recipe, so I had to go to my mom's book because my mom was a chef. Okay, so I had to go to her book to get the recipe done. Okay, so we use sweet potatoes, we use milk, coconut milk, sugar, ginger, cinnamon, what else? Banana. Yeah, I think I used two bananas, and this is vanilla extract, and I think that's it. Okay, and, oh, butter. So butter too. Okay, so we mix everything together. We get the potato ready, the ginger, and after that we mix everything together. We go like on the fire, like on the stove. We put the mixture. Okay, we're gonna cook it now. So it's like maybe like 40 minutes, so until it's like very like the consistency, it's like more solid. Okay, so you will know that it's ready. So you're gonna put it on the oven after that, and maybe let it cooked in the oven for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, at 350 degree. So like I said, this recipe is like a gold standard sweet potato pie. Okay, I'm not bragging, but if you know, you know. Okay, Haitian food, it's like the best of the best. But you definitely need to try it. Okay, so go give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Okay, so it wasn't too sweet, so it was just perfect. It was just perfect, and I really like it for first time making it. So I think I gave myself like a maybe 7 out of 10, not 10 10, but 7 out of 10. So the color is like that because I didn't use the white one. Okay, guys, go try it. Bye.